In this demonstration, we will use the Fitel S122 fusion splicing system to fusion splice 125 micron fiber. The first step in the process is to take the plastic sleeve and insert it at one end of the fiber. After the fusion process, this sleeve will be heat shrunk over the splice, thoroughly protecting it. The next step in the process is to load the fiber in the fiber holder. Next, using the 3-hole stripper, strip away the 250 micron coating, exposing the bare 125 micron fiber. Then, using an alcohol-saturated wipe, firmly wipe the fiber away from the holder toward the end of the fiber several strokes until you hear a squeaking sound. Now place the fiber holder in the Fitel single-action cleaver. Then close the lid and push the button, which perfectly cleaves the fiber to a 90-degree angle and distributes the waste fiber into the waste bin at the left end of the cleaver. Now remove the holder and place it into the S122 splicing bridge. The fiber holder is a unique and important part of the Fitel splicing system because the fiber remains in a fixed position and protected throughout the entire process. Repeat these steps using the other fiber to be spliced. Once again, load the fiber in the fiber holder, strip the 250 micron coating to expose the 125 micron glass, then clean the glass using an alcohol moistened wipe. Once the squeaky sound is heard, the fiber is clean and may now be placed in the cleaver. Using the Fitel single action cleaver, cleave this fiber, preparing it for the fusion splice. Now place this holder on the other side of the S122 splicing bridge. Then close the lid and simply push the green button to begin the automated process. You will then notice the fibers will begin to move closer together for the initial alignment, which is then followed by the primary discharge that creates the fusion splice. The loss is estimated by alignment cameras, and in this case the loss is 0.03 dB. Now open the splicing bridge cover, open the two holders, remove the splice, and then position the plastic protection sleeve directly over the fusion splice. Place the splice in the heating oven, centering the splice and the plastic sleeve directly in the middle of the oven as shown. Now close the lid to the heating oven, then the cover to the S122 splicing bridge, and push the yellow button to begin the automated heating process. At the conclusion of this process, the S122 will provide audible indication that it is now time to remove the splice from the oven. Open the oven and remove the splice, which is now ready for use, and includes a plastic sleeve permanently bonded over the splice, completing the process.